Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. In this video, we're talking about the top 10 natural remedies for common health ailments. We'll be discussing some of the most effective natural remedies for common health issues such as colds, flu, anxiety, and more. We'll also be providing examples and use cases to help you understand how these remedies can be used to improve your overall health and well-being. But before we dive in, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end. Now, it's important to note that while natural remedies can be effective, it's important to do your research and use reputable sources to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the remedies you choose. With that in mind, let's dive into our list of the top 10 natural remedies for common health ailments. Number 1. Echinacea. This herb is often used to treat cold and flu symptoms such as sore throat, cough, and fever. It's believed to stimulate the immune system and may help to reduce the duration and severity of these common ailments. To use Echinacea, you can take it in supplement form or drink it as a tea. Number 2. Ginger. This spice is often used to treat nausea and vomiting, as well as inflammation and muscle pain. It can be taken in supplement form, or you can add fresh ginger to your diet by grating it into your meals or drinking it as a tea. Number 3. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and has been shown to be effective in reducing joint pain and swelling. It can be taken in supplement form or added to your diet by using it as a spice in your cooking. Number 4. Garlic. This pungent herb has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues, including high blood pressure and cholesterol. It's also believed to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a useful remedy for colds and flu. You can add garlic to your diet by including it in your cooking or taking it in supplement form. Number 5. Honey. This sweet substance has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues, including coughs and sore throats. It's believed to have antibacterial properties and can be used as a natural alternative to over-the-counter cough syrups. Number 6. Peppermint. This refreshing herb is often used to treat digestive issues such as indigestion, nausea, and bloating. It can be taken in supplement form or added to your diet by drinking it as a tea or using it as a spice in your cooking. Number 7. Chamomile. This soothing herb is often used to treat anxiety and insomnia. It can be taken in supplement form or consumed as a tea to help you relax and get a good night's sleep. Number 8. Lavender. This fragrant herb is often used to treat anxiety and insomnia, as well as to promote relaxation and reduce stress. It can be taken in supplement form or added to your diet by using it as an essential oil in aromatherapy or consuming it as a tea. Number 9. Valerian root. This herb is often used to treat insomnia and anxiety, and has been shown to be effective in reducing sleep latency, the amount of time it takes to fall asleep. It can be taken in supplement form or consumed as a tea. Number 10. Lemon balm. This fragrant herb is often used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues. It can be taken in supplement form or added to your diet by consuming it as a tea or using it as an essential oil in aromatherapy. Now, here are some examples and use cases. 1. Echinacea. If you start to feel the symptoms of a cold coming on, you can try taking Echinacea in supplement form or drinking Echinacea tea to help boost your immune system and reduce the severity of your cold. 2. Ginger. If you're feeling nauseous or experiencing digestive issues, you can try sipping on some ginger tea or taking a ginger supplement to help alleviate your symptoms. 3. Turmeric. If you're experiencing joint pain and swelling, you can try taking a turmeric supplement or adding turmeric to your diet to help reduce inflammation. 4. Garlic. To help boost your immune system and protect against colds and flu, you can try adding garlic to your diet by including it in your cooking or taking a garlic supplement. 5. Honey. If you're experiencing a dry or persistent cough, you can try mixing a spoonful of honey with warm water and lemon to help soothe your throat and reduce your cough. 6. Peppermint. If you're experiencing digestive issues such as indigestion or bloating, you can try drinking peppermint tea or taking a peppermint supplement to help alleviate your symptoms. 7. Chamomile. If you're struggling with anxiety or difficulty sleeping, you can try drinking chamomile tea or taking a chamomile supplement to help relax your mind and body. 8. Lavender. To help reduce stress and promote relaxation, you can try using lavender essential oil in aromatherapy or drinking lavender tea. 9. Valerian root. If you're having difficulty falling asleep or experiencing anxiety, you can try taking a valerian root supplement or drinking valerian root tea to help promote relaxation and improve sleep. 10. Lemon balm. If you're experiencing anxiety or digestive issues, you can try drinking lemon balm tea or taking a lemon balm supplement to help alleviate your symptoms. It's important to note that while these natural remedies can be effective, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Additionally, it's important to use reputable sources and do your research to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the remedies you choose. We hope this video has helped you learn more about our top 10 natural remedies for common health ailments. Remember, taking care of your health is important, and natural remedies can be a great way to support your overall well-being. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.